What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this quick video I will show you how you can convert US dollars to Australian dollars in the Revolut app. Also, as always, before we get started, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. And now let's get started. So first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your home screen right here. Now here you will be able to see your primary account. In my case, this is the US dollar account and I have $1 on it. So now let's convert this $1 to Australian dollars. So to do this, you would need to go to the three little dots right here that say more and click on the first option that says exchange. Now, once you clicked on exchange, this new window will load with your US dollars right here and the currency to which you want to switch those US dollars right below it. So in this case, we would need to change euros to Australian dollars. So we will just click on euros and type in Australian dollars right here. So just go ahead and select the Australian dollars and input the amount of US dollars that you would like to exchange. So I will just type in 1. And here you can see how much Australian dollars you will get for $1 US. So for each dollar I will get about 1.6 Australian dollars. Now once you selected your amount, you can click preview order right here. Now the preview order window will load, on which you will see all the details about this transaction, aka currency conversion. So if everything looks alright on this window, you can just go ahead and continue and press sell USD to AUD. And there we go. Instantaneously, $1 was exchanged in Australian dollars. Now, if we scroll through our accounts here, you should be able to find an Australian dollar account. There we go, right here. So now you will have some Australian dollars that you can spend as you like. So that's guys how you can exchange US dollars for Australian dollars in the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.